Good morning, students. We have already completed compound angle, no? Yes, compound angle completed. Now, today we will discuss transformation of sums and product. Suppose cos A cos B is given, how to convert it into their product, or 2 cos A cos B is given, how to convert it into their plus, okay, or minus, like that. See, so all of you know the formula. Just I am writing here. So sums and product. So write first sums and product transformation. Okay, product. All of you know sin A plus B, sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, again sin A minus B, we can write sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, see, if we add these two relations, you have to add, just adding this one. See, so you can write here sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal to, look at here, equal to, so this is cancelled, so here 2 sin A cos B. Okay, see, plus A plus B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So this is sums are there, you convert it into product, 2 sin A cos B. Okay, or 2 sin A cos B, we can write sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, if we subtract these two relations, see, look at here, here we are adding. If we subtract, look at here, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equal to, so that time this will cancel, so it will be 2 cos A sin B. All of you remember, 2 cos A sin B equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay, these two formula all of you remember. Okay, see, here sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B, and sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equal to 2 cos A sin B. Okay, now let A, you have to again consider A plus B equal to, suppose C, and write A minus B equal to D. Okay, so look at here, if we add twice A equal to C plus D by 2, and if we subtract these two relations, sorry, C plus D, then A equal to C plus D by 2. Similar way, B equal to C minus D by 2. Now these two value you put here, look at here, A plus B C, A minus B D. If we put, look at here, I am putting the relationship. So here sin C plus sin D, we are getting 2 sin C plus D by 2, the value of A, and D will be B, that is cos C minus D by 2. So sin C plus sin D, we can write 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay, similar way, sin C minus sin D, we can write 2 cos, see here 2 cos, so 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay, sin C minus D by 2. Now okay, sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. and sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Similar way, if we write, see, cos a plus b, so cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, so write 2 cos a cos b, we can write 2 cos a cos b equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, and 2 sin a sin b, we can write cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay, so 2 sin a sin b, we can write cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, because cos a minus b, all of you know, 2 cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, and here also cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, minus sign is there, so it will be 2 sin a sin b. Okay, so 2 cos a cos b cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, and 2 sin a sin b equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Similar way, if you put a plus b equal to c, this is d, so you can write cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Again here cos c minus cos d, cos c minus cos d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2, here sin d minus c by 2. Okay, because see here, all of you know sin minus theta minus sin theta, that's why a plus c, this is d, so here the sign interchange. Okay, so it will be cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. Okay, okay, now total writing, whole formula I am writing again. See, so we are getting today, wait, there are 8 formula. So first one write, first writing, see, 2 sin a cos b, we can write sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, number 2 we are getting 2 cos a sin b, we are getting sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Number 3 you are getting 2 cos a cos b equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Number 4, 2 cos a cos b, sin a sin b, we are getting cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay, and 5 sin c plus sin d, we are getting 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Number 6 sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Number 7 cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, and number 8 cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. Okay, all of you remember formula here. Okay, if you remember this formula, you can solve easily, otherwise it's not possible. Okay, if you formula wrong, the sum is wrong, keep in mind. So formula, all of you remember this formula. In trigonometry many formulas are there. Okay, so if you remember, then you can solve. In trigonometry, formula is very, very essential. Okay, very, very essential. Okay, next, now I am solving some, how to solve. So look at here, See, suppose sin 3x plus sin 5x. Okay, this is given. You convert into the product. See, so formula remember, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So here 2 sin 4x cos minus 2x, this is 2x by x. So all of you know cos minus theta minus cos theta. So this is the answer. Okay, number 1. Number 2, suppose cos 5x minus cos 3x, suppose. Say cos c minus cos d. So all of you know 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. Then it will be 2 sin 4x, 5 3 8x by 2 4x, and sin 3 minus 2x by 2, that is minus x. Okay, and all of you know sin minus theta minus sin theta, so will minus sin. So you take minus 2 sin 4x sin x. And this is the answer. Okay, now suppose 2 3 2 cos 5x cos 4x. Product is given. How to convert sum? So 2 cos a cos b, formula all of you know, cos a plus b, that is cos 9x, okay, cos x. This is the answer. Just formula remember. Okay, now suppose 2 4 2 sin, wait, suppose sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree, sin 80 degree. Find the value. See, first we take common half. We know 2 sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree, and just we write sin 80 degree outside. Sin 80 degree. Okay. Sorry, right, sin 80. You can write any two, you can take. Just I am taking sin 20, sin 40. If you take sin 20, sin 80, no problem. If anyone takes sin 40, sin 80, no problem is there. Any two you can take, because we know the formula. 2 sin A, sin B, or 2 cos A, sin B is like that. Okay. So all of you know 2 sin A sin formula, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. See, cos 20 degree minus 40 degree minus cos 20 degree plus 40 degree, okay, into sin 80 degree. Okay, now 1 by 2. So this part will be cos 20, not minus 20, okay, cos minus theta cos theta. So cos 20 minus cos 60, okay, into sin 80 degree. Again, half multiplied, half cos 20 sin 80 degree minus half cos 60 into sin 80 degree. Okay, now half. Again you take here, listen now, 1 by 4, we can write 2 sin 20, sorry, sin 80 cos 20 we can write. See, 1 by 4, 2 sin 80 cos 20 we can write, minus half, all of you know cos 60 value half, into sin 80 degree. Okay, now 1 by 4, again 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Just put sin, this is 20 degree, 100 degree plus sin 60 degree, okay, minus 1/4 sin 80 degree. So write 1/4 sin 100 degree plus sin 60 degree, all of you know root 3 by 2. So will be root 3 by 2. This is 8 here. 1 by 4 sin 60 root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 8, okay, minus 4 into 2, yes, 8, minus 1/4 sin 80 degree. Okay, now Sin 100 and sin 80 both are cancelled. Understood? See here, sin 100 you can write 1 by 4 sin 180 minus 80 you can write here minus 1 4 sin 80. Sin 180 90 into 2 minus theta, all of you know. Sin, okay, 180 minus theta minus, sorry, only sin theta. So write 1 by 4 sin theta minus 1 by 4, sorry, sin 80, right? And here sin 80 degree. Okay, here root 3 right plus, acha, wait, plus here root 3 by 8 is there. Okay, plus root 3 by 8. So this is cancelled. Okay, so answer is root 3 by 8. This is the answer. Okay, answer is root 3 by 8. Okay, now see next one. Suppose cos 20 cos 40 cos 80. Okay, cos 80. How to do? Say similar way, like half 2 cos 20 cos 40 into cos 80 you can write. Now half 2 cos A cos B formula, cos A plus B. The cos A plus B is 60 plus cos A minus B 20, okay, into cos 80 degree. So half, it will be half cos 60 degree plus cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. Now 1/4 cos 80 degree plus 1 by 2 into cos 20 degree cos 80 degree. Now 1 by 4 cos 80 degree plus again 1 by 4, take common 2 cos 20 cos 80. Now 1 by 4 cos 80 plus 1 by 4, 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So it will be cos A plus B 100 plus cos A minus B. So it will be 1 by 4 cos 60. Okay, now again cos 100 you can write second quadrant. Okay, 180 minus something you can write, no, minus 80. See, so you can write here 1 by 4 cos 80 plus 1 by 4 cos 180 minus 80 you can write, plus 1 by 4 into half. Okay, so 1 by 4 cos 80 plus here 180 minus 80 cos 180 minus cos theta. So it will be minus 1 by 4 cos 80 plus 1 by 8. This is cancelled. So 1 by 8 answer. Okay, 1 by 8 answer. Okay, just copy it. Hurry up. Okay, now next. Next, suppose prove that, right? Next sum, suppose prove that sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 3 theta by cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta equal to tan 2 theta. We have to prove. Okay, see here 2 theta is there. Okay, so we will change only, we will take 3 theta and 3 theta. It is sin 2 theta, cos theta will no change. See, we can write here sin theta plus sin 3 theta one side, remaining no change, sin 2 theta divided by cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. Okay, now sin c plus sin d formula applied. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus sin 2 theta, no change, by similar this part also cos c plus cos d formula. So right, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus sin cos 2 theta. Okay, now 2, and this is 4 theta by 2, that is 2 theta. So right, sin 2 theta. Here cos theta, cos minus theta, all of you know cos theta. Here plus sin 2 theta by 2 cos 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Now you take here sin 2 theta common, so you can write sin 2 theta common, so 2 cos theta plus 1 divided by cos 2 theta common, so 2 cos theta plus 1. So this is cancelled, sin by cos, so it will be tan 2 theta. See, this is equal to RHS. Okay, copy first. Okay, copied. Next, next one. Suppose right, sin alpha plus sin 120 degree plus alpha plus sin 240 degree plus alpha. What is the value? Okay, prove that this will be 0, but find the value. So you see here, just we are changing only this part. Suppose this sin c plus sin d you have to consider it. Okay, this small part is the sin alpha, no change, so only this part we have to write. Okay, formula right, sin alpha, so this is c, suppose this is d, so 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, so sin alpha plus 2 sin 120, this is alpha and 2 alpha, here 360 plus 2 alpha by 2, that is 120 degree plus alpha, here cos, see, alpha cancel. Okay, so 120 minus 240 degree, so minus 120 by 2, that is minus 60, cos minus theta, cos theta all of you know, so write only cos 60 degree. So sin alpha plus 2 sin 180 minus alpha minus sin alpha, so writing, see here, minus 2 sin alpha into cos 60 degree half, so half cancel, so write sin alpha minus sin alpha equal to 0. This is the answer. Right, do it now. Okay, now next sum, then you have to complete today. Now evaluate, suppose find the value, evaluate, okay, 1 by 2 sine 10 degree minus 2 sine 70 degree, okay, evaluate. So do it now. So 1 minus, you can write here 4, there is 2 into 2 sine 70 degree sine 10 degree by 2 sine 10 degree, you can write 1 minus, okay, 2. So this formula, put the formula 2 sine A sine B, 2 sine A sine B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, okay. So cos A minus this minus 60 degree minus cos A plus B 80 degree, okay, by 2 sine 10 degree. So write 1 minus 2 cos 60 half plus 2 into cos 80 degree, okay, by 2 sine 10 degree. Now half of cancel, 1 minus 1 0, so this will be 2 cos 80 degree by 2 sine 10 degree. 2 to cancel, so cos 80 degree by sine 10 degree. So this will be 1. No, cos 80 means sine 10, cos 90 minus 10, cos 90 minus theta, sine theta all of you know. So here cos 80 means sine 10, sine 10 degree by sine 10 degree, so it will be 1. Okay, okay my dear students, today no more today, whatever I am giving today, all of you practice at home, and formula you should remember, keep in mind, all formula, okay, in your head, keep in mind, okay, then you can solve easily, no problem is there. If formula remember, you can easily solve any harder problem, no problem is there. Formula is very essential here. Okay, bye, no more today.